Have you ever wondered what it would be like to receive a direct message from God? A roadmap for hope and a future, even in your darkest days? That's exactly what we find in chapters 29 to 32 of the book of Jeremiah. These chapters invite us into a narrative that is not just ancient history. It's a blueprint for finding faith and resilience amidst turmoil. Starting with chapter 29, we see Jeremiah writing a letter to the exiled Israelites in Babylon, sharing God's promise. "For I know the plans I have for you," declares the Lord, "plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." 29:11. This verse is so powerful, isn't it? It's a reminder that even in exile, when not forgotten, God has plans for restoration. Moving on to chapter 30, the theme of restoration becomes even more profound. God speaks through Jeremiah, promising to bring his people back to the land of their ancestors. What's striking here is God's assurance: "I will restore you to health and heal your wounds." 30:17. It's about more than just physical restoration. It's a promise of spiritual healing too. In chapter 31, we see the introduction of a new covenant. God promises a future where his law will be written on the hearts of the people. This is encapsulated beautifully in verse 33. "I will be their God, and they will be my people." The chapter is filled with imagery of joy and hope as God promises to turn mourning into gladness. Chapter 32 brings us an act of faith. Jeremiah buys a field even while knowing Jerusalem is under siege, signifying hope in God's promise of return and renewal. This action symbolizes trust in God's promises, despite how bleak circumstances appear. In these chapters, we are called to embrace hope and community, to believe in restoration and healing, and to choose faith over despair. As we delve deeper into these messages, reflect on how they apply to today's challenges. Are you ready to explore this incredible journey of hope and promise? Join us as we dive deeper into the wisdom of Jeremiah,